welcome to my first episode of Linux for Beginners series. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you file management, such as removing files, deleting files, adding files, moving files, copying files, all of that. So the first thing I want to show you is how to know which directory you're currently at right now. So for that you need to type pwd, hit enter, and then you're going to notice that you're in the /home/Dave directory. So that's the home directory of Dave user, okay? Your home directory will probably be different. So let's say your username was Sam, and so your home directory would be /home/Sam. So that's how it works. And right now I'm going to type ls to see the content of the /home/Dave directory. And you see we have two directories in the directory and two text files. So the next thing I want to show you is how to see hidden files. For that you need to type ls-la. So you're going to get a lot of details such as the permissions for each file. I'm going to make a video on permissions because it's a really important topic. Okay, so here when you see a dot in front of either directory or file, it means it's hidden, okay? And here you see that directory is not hidden because there is no dot in front of it and it's visible using the ls command. Let's just say you don't want to see the hidden files but you want to see the permissions. What command would you need to enter? In that case you need to enter the ls-l command. Okay, so it shows you all the files and directories and their permissions. Okay, next I want to show you how to create a new directory. For that, type mkdir and I'm going to type marketing ls, and you're going to notice that the marketing directory has been created. And right now if I want to go to the marketing directory, I'll need to type cd marketing, and if you want to go to a specific directory you would just type cd and the location of the directory. Okay, so let's do ls. You're going to notice that there is nothing in this particular directory, but there are obviously hidden files. Okay, so what I want to do now is to create a new file here. So I need to type touch and type marketing.txt, and if I type ls, you're going to notice that a new text file has been created. So if I want to go one directory back, I need to type cd ... And if I need to share something, so if I go do cd marketing, and if you just want to, if you are in any directory and want to move back to your home directory, just type cd. Also cd dot does nothing. Okay, so these are really important to know. And next I want to edit one of our text files. So I want to edit the sales.txt. I use the VI edit text editor. I'm going to make a separate video on text editors as well. Okay, so I'm going to hit insert and type this is sales. Okay, then hit escape and WQ to exit from the VI editor. Okay, now if I want to see the content of the sales.txt text file, I need to type cat sales.txt, and it says this is sales. Okay, so let's just say I want to copy the content of the sales.txt text file to the marketing.txt file. Okay, for that I need to type cp copy sales.txt to the /home/Dave/marketing/marketing.txt, and if I do cd marketing, if I do cat marketing.txt, you're going to notice that the content from the sales.txt file has been moved to the marketing.txt file. Okay, so that's how you copy the content from one file to another. Okay, so now let me go back to my home directory, clear the screen, hit ls, and here we are going to see that I want to move the sales.txt text file to the sales directory. How would I do that? For that I need to type mv for move sales.txt, and I'm going to move it to the I'm going to move the sales.txt file to the sales directory. So I need to type sales. And now if I want to confirm that, I need to type cd sales ls, and you see we have two text files, payroll.txt and sales.txt. Okay, so right now I want to rename sales.txt to sales.txt2. How would I do that? In this case, I actually need to use the move command, mv sales.txt, and I want to change it to sales2.txt ls, and you're going to notice that the name of the sales.txt file has been changed to sales2.txt. Okay, so right now I want to do something else. I want to move the content, just move it, not copy it, move the content of the sales2.txt to payroll.txt. How would I do that? I will say move sales2.txt to payroll.txt, cat payroll.txt, and you're going to notice that the content from the sales2.txt have been moved to the payroll.txt. Okay, and as you can see, it moved. It's no longer here, okay? And ls confirms it. Okay, at last, I want to show you how to remove directories. So for that, I'm going to create another directory called test, and you're going to see why I created another directory. Okay, so if I type ls, and let's just say I want to remove the test directory. For that, rm test, it cannot be removed because rm doesn't work alone for removing directories. For that, you need to type rm-d test. And now if I do ls, you're going to notice that the test directory has been deleted. Okay, how about if I want to delete a directory that's not empty, such as sales? Okay, rm-d sales. I can't because it's not empty. You need to type rm-r sales, and you're going to notice that it's been removed. And I want to remove the admins.txt text file. So for that, I just need to type rm admins.txt. That is it. That's how you would manage the file system of a Linux operating system. And I hope you learned something useful in this video. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching.